name's Levi.
It's Aaron.
And today we are going to go outside hunting with Aaron, Uncle Matt, and then my sister Marissa and my dad, Luke. And we're going to go hunting some white-tailed deer. It's going to be an awesome day. So hopefully one of them gets something. I'm just the videographer, so I'm not going to shoot anything.
But hopefully nobody gets shot.
Anyways, we'll see you outside. Maybe when I get a chance to video. We'll see you then. Bye. Alright everybody, we are now in the truck. As you can see, we're all crammed in here. We're going to go to the meadow and we're going to do some hunting. So yeah, it should be a good time. Okay guys, update. There was somebody already in the stand, so we're gonna figure out what's going on here. I don't know why they were in the stand. We're gonna figure out where we're gonna go sit. But yeah. Okay, we're going to, there's a tower stand thing right here. There's two levels. They're gonna go on the second level. I'm gonna go on the first. And yeah, so that's where we're gonna. Okay, we're up in the stand. I'm on the first level. They're up on the second level. We're just waiting for some deer to come out. We are now going to the 360 that we were trying to go to before because the hunters left. Didn't see any deer here, so hopefully some run out over where the other 360 is. So we don't know yet, but maybe we'll see something.
Alright guys, so apparently we're pushing somewhere else, so we left the 360 stand. We're gonna be going somewhere else. It's gonna be pretty entertaining. Stay tuned.
Yeah, that's what we should do.
Guys, decided to have a little treat. I think I deserved it, all that walking. I almost choked on one, I might not make it. Wish me luck.
It's the Wilderness Brothers back again.
Gotta go in a stand.
360 though.
No, it's not. It is?
Yeah.
Oh. Wait, give me some. Dude, we're not mature. Wait. So one thing you gotta be careful about this Pennsylvania terrain is that, you know, you gotta watch where you're stepping because the ice can be very lethal. Take a look out there. I have one earplug. So we're straight on the side of the road. And you see there's a flock of crows over there just flying around. I'm just scanning the trees to see if I can see any last minute buck. Alright, now cut it.
Made it back to the house. We're probably gonna have some lunch and take a little rest break. I don't know if we're gonna hunt anymore today, but maybe, possibly. So we'll see you next time we do that. All right, Aaron, let's go to the barn. Gotta go get something. Next drive. Too bad we didn't get any deer today. What the heck is this? All right, it is 10 o'clock now. Me and Aaron are sleeping in my bunk bed. And we're going to wake up at 7 tomorrow, and we're going to go down to the meadow in the 360 stand. So hopefully we'll get a good night's rest, and maybe Aaron will be able to shoot something tomorrow. So we'll see you then. Oh. Good morning, everybody. It's 7 o'clock. We're going to start getting ready, and we're going to go, I believe, down to the meadow to the 360 stand. And, yeah, it should be fun, so let's go get ready. We should get some breakfast. Alright, we just finished up breakfast. I'm probably gonna put my contacts in, get some more stuff ready, and we should be good to go to the meadow, so here we go.
Hey guys, approaching the 360 stand right now. The one thing I have to be careful of is my caliber is only a 243, so I have to be very careful of where I shoot the deer. I have to be very precise and accurate. Same thing. So, look at that. What you looking at?
Look at what?
Nothing. Just the beautiful mountains in this Pennsylvania terrain. Okay guys, we're up on the field right now. As you can see, I really should have brought my Nikon to get a better view. We're gonna have to work with what we got. You see here, right behind our deer stand, there's some deer tracks. That's a good sign. Now we have to be very quiet. Okay, now's the time that we have to be very quiet. Okay, guys, it looks like we're all set up now. So, as you can see, we're gonna open some of these windows. As you can see, we have a great view of the field that we're going to be shooting our buck, hopefully. We're going to be here for a while, so stay tuned. I feel nothing but boredom.
Alright, we're at this tree stand. All set.
We kind of had a race in here because they started the drive before we even got in here. But looks like we're all set up.
Got a nice spot here. Got a nice other spot over here. Both look like areas where deer could come in, right?
Oh yeah, definitely.
So hopefully we get something. Over and out. Absolutely nothing. Alright, we're gonna leave the 360 stand now. We did not see anything. No buck, no doe, nothing. Although Uncle Matt, his father, did we think, shoot a doe, so
Yeah, he shot off like 2 shots, but
we don't know if he hit it or not, but maybe he did, so we're gonna go
he
find
probably
out.
missed.
We're gonna go find out.
Hey, where are you guys at? Did you find the deer?
Yes, she is down. It's, hopefully not a gut shot.
Nice.
I'm
So, you want to...
Nice size.
Was she in here when you shot?
This is the beginning part.
All right, we'll come back to you guys in a minute. I don't think you want to be watching this.
All in a good day's worth of hunting. Come on, Aaron, get under it.
Scooch her down. There you go.
Have a good day.
That was awesome. Mission accomplished.
All right, we're coming to a spot here where we're gonna rinse off the deer, get all the poop out and stuff that needs to get out of there. And Aaron also needs to rinse off his boots because they're kind of nasty.
I mean, Aaron and I are literally...
We're all done. Now we're going to our grandparents for some lunch. She's back on there, all cleaned out. This is the Wilderness Brothers. We're gonna go eat some lunch.
You already said that. All right, guys. We stopped at the house to take a little break, had some food, relax for a little while, but now we're heading back to the same stand we were originally. So, see you there.
All right, guys. So we're heading down to the 360 stand that we were in yesterday. That was has this long walk here, and it's right down over that way. So we're gonna go over there. It's just me and Aaron. They're gonna start a drive down that way. So we're just gonna come up through the woods, hopefully push some deer out to us. So we'll get back to you when we're in the stand. All right. There was people in the stand that we were trying to go to, and so
Why is the camera upside down?
I'm gonna flip it in editing. And then we're gonna go to the meadow. Maybe we'll have some chance of shooting at some deer there. So hopefully we will, but I don't know yet. So let's go find out. Oh, you can't crawl.
Sick of the smell of deer guts. I didn't mind it before, but now it's just lingering on my clothes. Well, guys, it was a fun weekend. Unfortunately, we did not get any deer.
Besides Matt.
Besides Mass. I did get to gut a part of the deer, but you know, until next season, you know, it was a very fun trip walking around, shooting some nothing. We'll see you guys next season. That was on purpose.